Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO. In this video, we will be looking at assigning custom permissions to a specific group in VIDIZMO. VIDIZMO User Group is a manageable entity that represents a collection of users. All individual users as part of a group can be managed, controlled, and assigned additional access rights with ease. By creating groups, the Manager Plus roles do not need to set permission settings for each user, rather they can collectively implement the permission settings on the group as a whole. Groups provide segregation within a portal and improve users' engagement by making sure the content and its permissions are of utmost relevance to the users. By the way, the group permissions are only applicable to user roles below moderators, as Moderator Plus user roles have a complete set of access rights and media management within the portal by default. You can assign custom permissions to users associated with an existing group, or by adding them to a new group. You can assign custom permissions to a group at the time of its creation. To access users and groups, click on the navigation menu from the top left of your portal's homepage and click on Users and Groups under the Admin tab. From the Users and Groups screen, hover upon the user group you want to assign custom group permissions, and select Edit Group from the Overflow menu. From the Edit Group screen, use the toggle button against each permission to assign that permission to the selected group. Enabling Allow Users to Download Media will allow members of the group to download the media, given that the permission to download media has been enabled on the media's published settings. Enabling Allow Users to Rate Media will allow members of the group to like or dislike media. Enabling Allow Users to Provide Feedback will allow all the members of the group to report content. Users can help identify if the content of the media is inappropriate, offensive, or abusive. Moreover, users can ask queries and provide suggestions for the media. Allow Users to Favorite Media enables users to add media to their favorites. This helps users make a digital archive of media files for quick access. Allow Users to Share Media enables users to share a media playback URL via email, given that it has been enabled on media publish settings. Using this option automatically launches the user's default mailing application and includes the link in the email to be sent out to their preferred recipient. You can allow specific user groups to add annotations on either all media they have access to or only the ones they uploaded. After selecting the media on which users can annotate, you can define whether they will be allowed to edit and delete their own annotations or not. You can also empower users to edit and delete annotations created by other users as well. You can allow users to view comments that have been made by other users on the portal. You can also allow users to add, edit, and delete their own comments on media within the portal. Catering to an audience who is self-driven, and motivated enough to complete courses and training guides according to their set timelines, my personal media have made it far easier to manage their content, set priorities against it, and track their progress from time to time. You can give access to create and manage their playlist and collections to members of the group. You can allow users to manage custom attributes on their accessible and uploaded media. By the way, if a user is part of multiple groups, then the union of the permissions set will be implemented. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.